What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge, Shehbaz here. Today we have fresh news and updates about Samsung Galaxy S20 and Galaxy Fold 2, which will launch sooner than expected. So let's start the video. The premiere of the Samsung Galaxy S20 and Galaxy Fold 2 became known. Samsung flagship debuts sooner than expected. To this day, there have been various rumors regarding the launch date of the new flagship smartphones, Samsung Galaxy S20. Formerly called Galaxy S11 and Galaxy Fold 2. According to some, the premiere was supposed to happen on February 18, according to others February 11. And today the point is set in this matter. Samsung accidentally published an official teaser video announcing the premiere date in Vimeo. Then she quickly deleted, but this did not save the teaser from spreading over the web. The network got a promotional video with the date of announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S20. XDA developer's editor, Max Weinberg, found on the web a randomly published teaser for Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2020 event. The promo video reveals the date of the event. Galaxy Unpacked 2020 is due on February 11th. The event, based on the video, will also be broadcast online on the official Samsung website. At Galaxy Unpacked 2020, Koreans traditionally intend to introduce a new line of flagship Galaxy S smartphones. 3 smartphones from the S20 series are due to appear this year. Some sources claim that it will be the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra. So, the premiere of the new flagships of Samsung will be held on February 11. The video contains a hint of 2 smartphones. According to Max Weinberg, editor-in-chief of the well-known resource XDA developers, the left rectangle symbolizes the performance of the Galaxy S20 camera and the second point to Galaxy Fold 2. Recently, a well-known insider on leaks, regularly publishing accurate data on not yet announced smartphones, received fresh information about the design of the flagship Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus. Based on it, he made a render showing the design of the cameras of the future news and their number. One of the 4 cameras is likely to be the 108 megapixel ISO-cell bright HMX module, which Xiaomi Mi Note 10 previously received. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.